Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw an AVL Minion from Despicable Me. So let's get started. To draw this cute Minion agent, let's first start by drawing the sunglasses. So I'm going to, let's see here, let's just start over here and we're going to draw the top. So I'm just going to go straight across. And say about right here, I'll start to come down with a curve and come around. And then let's come back up here and we're just going to give a little notch for the edge of our glasses. So come down a little bit, then we're going to kind of give it a little bit of an angle and then just connect it. A basic pair of sunglasses. There, so it's just something like this shape right here. Now that we have that, we need to draw the other one. So I'm just going to come right about here where the center is and we're going to go up and about the same, about right here. We're going to draw the same thing on the other side. So approximately right here. And once again, same thing. Come down, give it a little bit angle and then go all the way around. And about right here. There. So now that we have this shape in, let's come inside and I'll just start in the corner right here, just a little bit easier for my hand. And we're just going to give a rim to our glasses. So just follow what you drew, go all the way around. And when you come up back to about right here, just round it off. There, so same thing here. All the way around, round this part off, down, just like the other side. There, and since I have my Sharpie out, I'm gonna come right here, just draw this little curve bubble here for a highlight. And same thing here. And then I'll just quickly shade this all in. And unfortunately my Sharpie is running out, so I need to switch to another one. So give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So hopefully this one is not much better. Oh my gosh. I think it's because I leave my Sharpies out here in my studio and it's like either really hot or really cold. Okay, let's just try to use up this one and we'll find another one. I'm trying to use a used Sharpie for this so that my tip is not so small because I'm trying to cover as much space as fast as possible. So that's why I'm not using a brand new one. Okay, we did it. So we didn't waste the Sharpie. And I think we could probably keep going. Just have to push harder. Okay, sorry. Now I need to get another one. Okay, so I am back. So look at this one. This is well, kind of almost very new. So see the difference? But the tip is thinner. So it's going to take me a little bit more time to shade it in, but look how juicy and black it is. Okay. And now that we have that in, let's go ahead and then we're going to come to the top right here. Let's say about right here. And we're just going to draw the top of a circle, just as if we were drawing the goggles on our Minion. So something like that. We just want to add a curve right here so we can make it look like these glasses are covering the goggles. So same thing over here. Okay, so now that we have that curve over there, then we come down right here and we just give this Minion cute smirk and cap it off. And then let's come back to the top. We're going to come in a little bit here, and then we're just going to draw a big curve for the top of the head. So let's go up and see about right here. Just going to start curving. And about right there, we're going to come down. There. Nice bald minion, right? And then find your center. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go to the left a little bit, go to the right a little bit, and I'll just draw some hairs. So one, and then maybe just another one. And same thing here. So we don't have a bald minion. You can also make it spiky. I guess it just depends on which minion you want this to be. Okay, so now that I have that, actually let's just go. I think we should draw one more on the top. Oops. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come down. We're going to imagine this coming through glasses, and we're going to just come straight down. Go to where the glasses are. And then from there, let's keep going down a little bit more. Just a little bit, so same thing here. And now that we're about the same level, let's bring this down a little bit more. We're going to connect it with a curve. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and come all the way down and then back up to connect. So now we need to draw the suit. So I'm going to come, let's see here. Just bring this out a little bit, and then we're going to just kind of angle down a bit towards the center. So about right here. Oops, my paper is moving, so let me tape it back in. And then same thing over here. So this is about our center, and then we're going to go back up. There. And then in this space is where we're going to go back to your center. Oops, find your center about right here, and we're going to draw two angle lines for the collar. And then right here, come down to draw our tie. There. And then we can draw collar on our suit. So let's see here. Let's continue this one out first. So we're just going to extend this one. And then let's come back right here, come down to say about right there, and then we're going to curve, following this curve, give it a little bit of a notch, and then bring it right back in. There. And then, so same thing here, just pop this out a little bit, come down, and once again, same thing, come in, give it a little bit of a notch, and in. Then right here we're going to come down. So we're just, this is going to come down right here, so it's not the center, we're passing the center. And then right about here, let's come back in and keep going straight down. So let's see here. A little bit more. And then from there, now that we're at the same level, let's go ahead and connect this with a curve all the way across. There. And then we can bring this down. So now that we know how low to go, we'll just go straight down. And then right about here, we'll add a circle for a button. Then from there, let's go back to our center. So come back to our center about right there. And we're going to draw two curves for the feet, for the legs, I mean. And then come right about here. And come down and connect for the legs. So same thing here. Just gonna taper in this curve and then slide it down and connect. There. And then let's draw some little feet. So we're going to come straight down and then right about here, curve it out and connect. So same thing here. There. And let's draw the arms. So let's have this minion's hands behind his back. So about right here, just gonna come out and then bend it in. So same thing here, just to simplify it, and we don't have to draw any hands. So once again, just bring it in. There. And last thing we need to draw is the badge right here. So I'm just gonna draw this rectangular-ish square. The line right here, and then the letters A. It's probably like that, and then a V. And L. Something like that. I forgot how the A was. I think it's like that. And I think that is pretty much it. This part is a little bit tricky, but hopefully you love how this AVL minion turned out, and that'll help you draw him fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.